Today, we are going to run DeepSeek inside Visual Studio Code. DeepSeek, we want to run it inside that because DeepSeek is almost 100 times, if not more, cheaper than Claude Code and ChatGPT, SOL, or Luna, or any models which are out there. On top of that, we love DeepSeek as a model. Why? Because DeepSeek is really good with agentic technology. It's also really good with text writing, and also anything to do with AI, with programming, all of these things, it's really good. So I'm going to teach you the best way to do it. And obviously there are many different methods through which one can do it, but I'm going to tell you which is the cheapest because I've also been looking at all of this and I realized what's the cheapest. So first option that you're going to have, you could use something like OpenRouter. OpenRouter is one of the aggregators which is bringing in all different models together. So it's a unified interface for LLMs, but we're not going to use it. Why? Because OpenRouter and all of these companies give DeepSeek at almost 10x the value. That's the thing. People don't realize, but all of these companies are charging substantially extra for DeepSeek API. So that's not what we are going to do. What we are going to do is we are going to go to DeepSeek and we are going to write inside Visual Studio VS Code. I'm going to tell you because I got some problems here. That's why I decided I'm going to make a video so that it adds a lot of value for you. So right now, when you go inside it, there's this link that they have, integrate with GitHub Copilot. Exactly, use this, and you have to go on the other side to the API keys. Go to platform.deepseek.com/usage. We're just going to make a new API key. I'm going to show you exactly how I make the API key. I'm going to delete it afterwards, so don't worry. Test API key, but I wanted to show everything all together. I wanted to show everything so that people who do not understand, they could still benefit from it, even if they are not programmers. So once you have done it, the important thing is that you're going to go in there and there's an extension that you have to install. So this is the extension that you can install. It is called GitHub DeepSeek V4 for Copilot. It's their most popular one, and it's also from their main documentation. So that already shows us that it's really good. So now when we have to go, we can click on this marketplace, Visual Studio. That's the link, and you just have to click on install. We installed this here. So this is already installed. Now we are going to go and we are going to click on Command Shift P because that's how you can set up your API key. So these are the DeepSeek commands that you're going to see. You can open settings, show logs, get API key, clear API key, set API key. We're going to click on set API key, and I do not know if you can see it as properly. I'm going to bring it in my screen. You can see it here. You're just going to go and we're just going to add the API key that we've gotten from platform. Yeah, this API key, I'm just going to copy it from here. And once we have copied it, we're just going to go back here and we are going to add this here. So once we have added this API key is going to be there. And after that, we just have to go in here. So DeepSeek API key saved. After that, we're just going here and we're just clicking on other models. And inside this other models, you're going to find DeepSeek V4 Pro, Flash, all of these different models. So that's excellent. That's how you can use it for almost 10 to 100 times cheaper than any other platforms, which are the aggregators for DeepSeek and other models. So just remember that. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, like and subscribe and check out my school community where we are talking about vibe coding, how to build apps, mobile apps, web applications, or anything that you want to automate with using AI models. You could just come in here in my community, sign up. $9 a month, super cheap for the value that we are given. And there's Classroom. We've got all these different courses teaching you everything that everything to take you from step A, where you are getting overwhelmed with all of this AI tech, to step B, where you're an expert in all of them and you know exactly what the next step is. What is your goal and how do you achieve it in the fastest possible way? That's what we do here. So yeah, you can join it and like and subscribe because I'm going to be coming up with a lot of videos like this.